Islamic finance is equity-based, asset-backed, ethical, sustainable, environmentally and socially responsible finance. It promotes risk-sharing, connects the financial sector with the real economy, and emphasizes financial inclusion and social welfare for the benefit of all. Welcome to another episode of the Islamic Finance Daily Update, where we bring you key activities in the non-interest finance market. Our first story today is that Dar Al Takaful, an Islamic insurance company, has completed the acquisition of its competitor, Noor Takaful. The insurer had earlier signed a deal to acquire the entire shares of state-backed Noor Takaful, a subsidiary of Noor Takaful Investment Group, for a sum of 250 million UAE dirhams, that is $58 million. The share transfer of Noor Takaful General and Noor Takaful family to Dar Al Takaful PJLCC is now the company, said in a BOUS filing with the Dubai financial market on Monday. Following the purchase, which is expected to strengthen Dar Al Takaful's presence in the industry, the company has also appointed Rajid Sahid as its new chief executive officer. According to international law firm Baker McKenzie Habib Al-Mula, which has advised the insurance firm on the acquisition, the transaction has been approved by Dar Al Takaful shareholders, the Emirates Securities and Commodities Authority. The deal also reflects the broader trend of consolidation in the insurance industry and in UAE growth sectors more generally. Omar Momeni, partner and head of the corporate commercial practice at the law firm, had said in a statement. Dar Al Takaful was established in 2008 with a paid-up capital of more than 50 million UAE dirhams and provides Sharia-compliant solutions, including casualty and property insurance. Also, Abu Dhabi Government will spend 2.78 billion dirhams, that is $757 million, to dispose mortgage loans for 1,500 Emirati citizens and exempt from mortgage repayment for 476 retirees, the government said on Twitter. The disbursal and exemptions were ordered by Abu Dhabi's Crown Prince, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, for the occasion of Eid al-Adha, a 4-day Muslim holiday. Looking at the market activities, the Dubai Financial Market Company registered a 21% increase in its net profit at 78.9 million dirhams, that is $21.5 million, for the first half of the year, compared to 65.1 million dirhams, that is $17.73 million, during the corresponding period of 2019. The net profit of the second quarter of 2020 reached 44.2 million dirhams, a 20% increase compared to the same time last year. A statement from DFM Company, the operator of Dubai Financial Market, said. Heza Kazim, chairman of the Dubai Financial Market Company, said, the second quarter performance clearly indicates the DFM's resiliency in containing international market volatility due to the repercussion of unprecedented circumstances triggered by the COVID-19 pandemic, with the general index advancing 16%, restoring a considerable percentage of its previous decline. And lastly, the former Malaysian Prime Minister, Najib Razak, has been sentenced to serve 12 years in jail after a court in Kuala Lumpur found him guilty of corruption in the first of several cases linked to the alleged theft of billions of dollars from the state fund 1MDB. The guilty verdict against Najib relates to his role in diverting an estimated 42 million ringgit, that is $9.87 million, from SRC International, a unit of 1MDB, into his personal bank account. The judge had found the former Prime Minister guilty on all 7 charges filed against him. The judge ordered Najib to pay a fine of 210 million ringgit, that is $49 million, and gave him 12 years in jail on 1 count of abuse of power, 10 years each for 3 counts of criminal breach of trust, and 10 years each for 3 counts of money laundering. But the judge also ordered the sentences to run concurrently, meaning Najib will serve 12 years in prison. The conviction comes just 6 days after the High Court ordered Najib to pay the government as much as 1.69 billion ringgit, that is $400 million, in unpaid taxes and penalties, covering the years from 2011 to 2017. And that will be all for today. To watch more videos, read news stories, reports, and analysis on Islamic finance, log on to our website www.proshareng.com. Also, you can engage us on our social media handles displaying on the screen. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and bye for now.